Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. And today it's time for a Wayback Wednesday. Now I'm super excited about this one because this is one of my very first official duct tape projects. Now, if you know anything about me, I have been doing duct tape for the past 5 years, but this Wayback Wednesday was the very first project I ever put on YouTube. We've come a long way since then, but looking back at it, I think we did pretty good for our very first one. So check out this Wayback Wednesday duct tape coin purse. Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Today we are going to be making coin purses out of duct tape. Isn't this cute? You can keep your lunch money in there, your hair clips, rubber bands, whatever you want. Now, to do that, we're going to need a piece of our fabulous duct tape fabric that we've already made ahead of time, and we're going to need a template. Now, you can go to Sophie-World.com and download any one of our fabulous templates, or you can make one yourself, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Just going to need a deli lid, one of these salad containers that you can get at any one of those fabulous delicatessens. You're going to need a Sharpie pen, and you are going to trace up and around the circle just like that for 1/2 of the circle. And then you're going to take your ruler and just from one side draw a straight line down, and on the other side draw a straight line down, and that's going to give you a lovely little template. Now I've already got one cut out here, so I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to place it on my fabric just like this. Now, some people like to trace around with a Sharpie pen. That's great if you happen to have really good scissor skills, but for me, I always have a tendency to cut inside the line and end up with Sharpie pen on my fabulous duct tape wallet. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put a little loop of tape on the back of here, and I'm going to cut around my template just like this. And don't get too concerned if you have a little bit of a jagged edge or whatever. Don't worry, because you can always trim later if you need to. So I'm going to come up and around and trim that. Get rid of the excess and get rid of my template. And now I'm ready to make my little purse. So I'm going to fold my purse up so that I have enough of a flap that flaps over. And then I'm happy with how that looks. And now I'm going to need side pieces to secure my side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take a piece of duct tape and I'm going to rip it in half long ways, just like this. I'm going to fold up my wallet and I'm going to place a piece just like this, halfway, so that there's still half of the tape folded over there. And now I'm going to take it and do it on the other side as well, just like that. Now I'm going to pick it up, turn it over, and fold the sticky side over the other side. This is going to secure my duct tape pocket, just like that. I'm going to cut off the extra with my scissors. Now I have a duct tape purse. I want to make sure that it stays shut. And so to do that, I'm actually going to be using magnets. Now you can use any various assortment of things. You could use buttons, you can use Velcro, you can use a lot of different things, but I'm going to show you how to use a magnet because the magnets for me are the easiest way to go. I'm going to take a little tiny square of duct tape. I'm going to place it right over top of my magnet, wherever I want to place my magnet on the top, just like that. And I'm going to rub that down so it's nice and secure, just like that. Now, here's the easiest way to make sure that your magnet is in the correct position and also polarized the right way, because you know magnets will either force each other apart or they'll attract, and you want yours to attract and not push itself away. So I'm going to teach you an easy way to make sure that you do that. And to do that, you're going to take a little piece of tape and you're going to place it with the sticky side up right on top of your magnet. And then you're going to take your magnet. This is fun, watch this. And you're just going to drop it. You're going to let it go, and it's going to find the exact place that it needs to be on top of that other magnet. Now I'm going to fold over my flap, and I'm just going to push it down all around, and what's going to happen is when I lift it up, that magnet is going to be in the perfect place and the perfect position and the perfect polarization. So watch this. There you go. It's as easy as you can imagine. Well, that's it for today on Sophie's World. I can't wait to see what you're going to create. Check us out for more ideas at sophie-world.com.